Hello students. Today our aim is to draw BI characteristics for a PN junction diode using PN junction diode apparatus. As you can see here we have a PN junction diode apparatus in which there is a calibrated voltmeter and microammeter or milliammeter on the same device. Now, when we are performing for forward bias characteristics, we will be taking reading for voltmeter and milliammeter. Now, when it will be for reverse bias, we will be taking reading for voltmeter and microammeter. To begin with, we have to first of all switch on the power supply, and then we are going to put up these wires on to their specific places. Though this voltmeter plus would be connected with this 1 volt, then this negative of the voltmeter will be connected to upper side's negative of the voltmeter. Now next will be our milliammeters positive connected to this side, and next one would be this side, that is negative, connected to this side. Hence our circuit is completed. Now we are going to rotate this potentiometer knob and we will be taking the readings. So first of all, as we can see, the voltmeter reading is at 0 and hence the current is also at almost 0. Now we are going to increase this reading of voltmeter in steps of 0.1 volt or 1.1 volt, and now you can see this is voltmeter and this is milliammeter, and we are going to focus on these two only for forward bias characteristics. Just you have to do one thing, that is you have to increase the voltmeter in steps of specific voltage, that is you can take it as of your choice like 0.1 volt or completely 1 volt, and you have to just take the readings of milliammeter. So likewise, as I am increasing the knob of the potentiometer, you can see the voltmeter reading is now increasing, and at the same time the milliammeter is also going to increase at some point of the reading of the voltmeter. Now you can see the milliammeter is also showing some movement, and all you have to do is you have to note down the voltmeter reading and the milliammeter reading, and that's it. You have to take observations at least 10 to 12 so that you can plot a clear graph for forward bias characteristics. Now we are going to plot reverse bias characteristics for a PN junction diode. Now what we have to do is we have to connect this voltmeter and ammeter, but now this time the ammeter would be measuring current in microamperes. So to begin with, again the plus of this voltmeter would be connected to this side voltmeters plus, then the negative of this voltmeter would be connected, this would be connected to this one. Now we will be connecting this microammeter to the upper part of this one, and then this negative would be connected to this bottom part. So this makes our circuit complete. Just remember one thing, whenever you were doing forward bias characteristics, you have to keep this knob this side, that is S1 switch will be onto this left side and S2 switch will be onto this side, because we are measuring current in milliamps that time. But now when we are switching to reverse bias characteristics, we have to apply more voltage in order to have reverse breakdown, and at the same time the current would be coming up in microamps range. So after having done this, we are going to now turn the potentiometer knob located at this side, and we are going to take the readings the same manner as we have done in forward bias characteristics. Just यहाँ पर 0 से start करेंगे और knobs जो दिए हुए हैं, जो राइट हैंड साइड का नॉब है उसमें से हम इसको इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे तो देखेंगे हमारा जो रीडिंग है वो बढ़ता हुआ चल रहा है। तो हम स्टेप्स में लेंगे, इक्वल स्टेप्स में लेना है। 0.1 वोल्ट या 0.2 वोल्ट स्टेप्स फिक्स कर लेना है और हर 0.2 वोल्ट के बाद हम रीडिंग नोट करते रहेंगे माइक्रो एमीटर का। सो दिस वे यू विल बी गेटिंग n number of observations, but to have a clear graph for reverse bias, just all we need to do is to take 10 to 15 observations, and this will give you a very clear graph of a forward and reverse bias characteristics of a PN junction diode. And this is, I think, the simplest of all the practicals which you get in final exam, then you might be lucky enough. So this was all about PN junction diode apparatus. And now you can just have the observation table and graph for this. Till then, take care. Thank you.